How do I connect my TV to the internet in order to use the ITV Hub app?
Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will be discussing how to connect your TV to the internet so that you can make use of the fantastic ITV Hub app. ITV Hub is an online video-on-demand service accessible through the main ITV website, as well as being available on a variety of other platforms. Let's get started.
Does your TV support ITV Hub?
Before we start, make sure your TV supports the ITV Hub app. You'll find this app in most smart TVs, especially those released in the past few years. You can refer to your TV's manual or the manufacturer's website to confirm if it does support the ITV Hub app.
How to connect your TV to the internet?
Connecting your TV to the internet can usually be done in two ways: wired, via Ethernet, and wirelessly, via Wi-Fi. Wired connection: to connect your TV to the internet using a wired connection, follow these steps. 1. Find the Ethernet port on your TV. It should look like a wider telephone jack. 2. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to this port, and the other end into an open LAN port on your internet modem or router. 3. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV using your remote, then find and select the network settings. 4. Select wired or Ethernet connection. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. Wireless connection: if you prefer a wireless setup, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the settings menu on your TV using your remote. 2. Find and select the network settings option. 3. Select wireless or Wi-Fi connection. 4. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. 5. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup.
How to install and use ITV Hub on your TV?
After you've connected your TV to the internet, follow these steps to install and use the ITV Hub. 1. Navigate to the App Store on your TV. The name of this may vary based on the brand of your TV, such as Samsung Apps, LG Content Store, or Google Play Store. 2. Search for the ITV Hub app. 3. Select Install or Download to install the app on your TV. 4. After installation, open the ITV Hub app. You might need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already done so. 5. Once you're signed in, you can start enjoying your favorite ITV shows. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your TV to the internet and installed the ITV Hub app. Now, you're all set to stream your favorite shows. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to